Please see this question. Again a very good question. A merchant marks his goods in such a way that the profit on sale of 50 articles is equal to the selling price of 25 articles. What is his margin percentage? Margin profit, right? That is what they are asking. Now let us read the question again. A merchant marks his goods in such a way that the profit on sale of 50 articles, that means when he sells 50 articles, whatever the profit that he is getting, profit on sale of 50 articles, when he is selling 50 articles, whatever the profit that he is getting, that is exactly equal to selling price of 25 articles. Find the profit percentage is the question, right? Find the profit percentage is the question. Now listen to this very carefully, sir. Suppose for example, I will assume that let the selling price of one article, I will assume it as 1 rupee. 1 rupee is sold, 1 rupee is the selling price of one article. This is my assumption. If I assume one article is sold at 1 rupee, they are saying a sale of 50 articles. Therefore, selling price of 50 articles should be how much? For one article, you will pay me 1 rupee. For 50 articles, you will pay me 50 rupees. Now, see the statement, sir. Profit on, that means profit on sale of, same statement I am writing. Profit on sale of 50 articles is nothing but equal to selling price of 25 articles. Selling price of 25 articles. Can I say that one article selling price is 1 rupee, 25 articles selling price is 25 rupees. That means profit value is nothing but 25. I am having 25 rupees profit on selling 50 articles. That is the meaning. Profit is 25 rupees. Selling price of 50 articles is 50 rupees. So, if the profit is 25 and selling price is 50, cost price should be how much? Cost price should be 25. That means only when I purchase the product at 25 rupees and sell it at 50 rupees for you, I will have 25 rupees profit. They are asking you profit percentage. Profit percentage is nothing but profit upon cost price. Profit is 25. Cost price is also 25. 25 by 25 is 100%. Profit percentage is nothing but 100%. I believe that the idea is very clear for you. There is no difficulty if you read the statement very clearly. Profit on sale of 50 articles. One article I will think it as 1 rupee. 50 articles will become 50 rupees. So this profit is nothing but equal to selling price of 25 articles. So profit on selling the 50 articles is selling price of 25 articles. One article selling price is 1 rupee. 25 articles selling price is 25 rupees. Total profit when I sold 50 articles, it is 25 rupees. Total selling price when I sold 50 articles, it is 50 rupees. So cost price should be 25 then. Profit percentage is profit upon cost price, 100%. Very easy and logical way of solving it, sir. Ishank, I wrote the same thing in a sentence. That is the only difference. You wrote it in mathematical format. I wrote the same sentence what is given in the question so that each and every student will understand it better. Akhil, I already repeated it twice. 2 times I repeated, sir. I will not repeat another time. Simple. Right after the problem was told 1 time, 2nd time immediately I repeated. Manoj Suresh, it is not 25 by 50 beta. How it is 25 by 50? It is actually not a margin percentage here. Please understand. Question is not a margin percentage. Just because you got this word called as margin, don't get confused as margin percentage. It is profit margin. Profit margin means it is profit percentage only. Don't get confused, Manoj. Right? It is not margin percentage. Yes. If it was margin percentage, then it is 25/50. But it is profit margin. Profit margin is nothing but profit percentage only. Now, please see this question. Again, a very, very good question. Please pay attention here, sir. Your question is: a trader buys goods at a 19% discount on the label price. Label price is nothing but market price. Now see here, sir. Discount percentage is given as 19%. 19 by 100, which is a discount upon market price. That means, can I say that market price is 100 rupees. It was marked on the product as 100 rupees. But I, as a trader, I got a discount of 19 rupees. That means I purchased it for 81 rupees. Sir, why are you not writing selling price here? Why are you writing cost price? It is given in the question that a trader buys. That means I am a shopkeeper. Assume that I am the shopkeeper. I, as a shopkeeper, is going to a different shop right now. In a different shop, it was marked as 100 rupees on the product, and that person gave me 19 rupees discount. So I, as a shopkeeper, purchased it at 81 rupees. So for me it is cost price. For me it is cost price. For that person it is selling price. But for me it is cost price. I believe that the idea is clear. So for a trader like me, or for a shopkeeper like me, who is purchasing the product in a different shop right now, for me it will act as a cost price. Now read the next statement. If we want to make a profit of 20% after allowing a discount of 10%, that means now I purchased it at 81 rupees. That is my cost price. Now I will bring that product and keep it in my shop. I will sell it for some other person right now. That means if we want to make a profit of 20% after allowing a discount of 10%, that means I am again giving 10% discount for some other person. 10% of 100. Sorry, 10% means 10 by 100. The meaning of 10 by 100 is market price is 100 rupees. I am giving discount of 10 rupees, but I am selling the product to some other person at 90 rupees. But it is given that if we want to make a profit of 20%, profit of 20% means I purchased at 81 rupees. I want to make 20 rupees profit. What is 20% profit? What is 10% of 81? 10% of 81 is 8.1. 20% is 2 into 8.1. It is 16.2. 16.2 rupees more profit I want to make an 81. So 81 plus 16.2 is I want to sell it at 97.2. That means actual selling price I want to sell it at is 97.2. But here I got 90 as the selling price. Convert it back to 97.2. What should be the market price in that case? If you do not have multiplying factor, cross multiply and simplify. What is the question in fact? By what percentage should his market price be greater than the original label price? Original label price is nothing but the label price what that person, the other shop person, kept it initially. That means this market price, the question mark, is nothing but it is 100 into 97.2 divided by 90. 0 will get cancelled. It is 972 divided by 9. It is nothing but 108. That means earlier first shopkeeper kept it as 100 rupees as the market price. That is the original label price or the market price. I brought that product for my shop. I removed that sticker also what that person had kept. I put my own sticker and I marked it as 108 rupees. By what percentage should his market price be greater than original label price? Initially it was 100. Now it is becoming 108. That means there is an increase of 8. So it is 8% increase. Or in other words, Answer is plus 8 percentage. So beautifully you can understand the concept of market price and discount from this beautiful question. I hope the idea is very clear for you, sir. There is no difference if you understand the concept, and that concept I taught you yesterday, and I discussed 2 hours of class only based on that concept in my yesterday's class. Yashaswini, margin percentage is not the question in the previous question. Please do not get confused. That is the same thing I told it to one of the student also. It is profit margin. Profit margin means it is profit percentage. If it was margin percentage, they will give it as percentage margin or margin percentage they will ask. But the question is not margin percentage. I hope this question is very clear, sir. A beautiful case set or a beautiful question which can be solved in the most easiest way possible. Everyone please comment in the live chat, sir. Ishank has already commented saying that he is very much clear. Other 90 plus students, my request, sir, please comment. Let me move on to the next question. Very important and beautiful question again. I hope you are understanding these varieties of problem solving. Now please see this question. Very beautiful question once again. Just keep on listening to it very carefully, sir. Your question says, a shopkeeper buys an article on discount of 20% on market price. That means discount percentage is nothing but 20%. 20% is 20 by 100. It is 1 by 5. The meaning of discount percent is it is discount upon market price. That means market price is nothing but 5. Discount is nothing but 1. Selling price should be 4, right? Selling price should be 4. But again think logically. A shopkeeper is buying an article. That means I am that shopkeeper. I am going to a different shop and I am purchasing that article. So for me it will act as cost price. I believe the idea is very clear. For me it will act as cost price. That product I will bring it to my shop and sell it at a different price, right? That is a different scenario again. That means, so it is not selling price 4 rupees, it is cost price that is 4 rupees in this case. I believe this is clear for you. Now read the next statement. The next statement is given that the shopkeeper marks it. The shopkeeper marks it rupees 200 more than cost price. That means this is the cost price. This is the cost price. Shopkeeper is marking it 200 rupees more than the cost price. He is marking it 200 rupees more than the cost price and gives 10% discount on it. On this particular value, he is giving 10% discount. Right? He is giving 10% discount. What is the next statement, sir? Profit earned is rupees 148. That means total profit that is earning is 148 rupees. Find the initial market price is the question. Now, everyone think logically, sir. I purchased the product according to the ratio as 4 rupees. But on that cost price, whatever is there, I am increasing by 200 rupees extra. I am increasing by 200 rupees extra on the cost price what I purchased. That means how much ever money which I will increase on the cost price, that is my profit. That is actually my profit. That means, suppose for example, I purchased the product for 100 rupees for example. I am just telling you an example. On that 100 rupees, I will put another 200 rupees extra and I will mark it as 100 plus 200, 300. Right? That means that 200 rupees extra, whatever I am marking on the product, that is a profit for me. That is a profit. But I don't want 200 rupees profit, sir. I only require 148 rupees profit. Right? I only require 148 rupees profit. That means it is given that on this particular value, I will give you 10% discount. What is 10% of 200? That means here I will give you 20 rupees discount. On this cost price also I will give you 10% discount. Think logically. Original profit what I aspired for is 200 rupees. But finally I thought, only 148 rupees profit is enough for me. That means another 52 rupees I am giving you as a discount. In this 52 rupees, 20 rupees is coming from 10% of 200. 20 rupees is coming from 10% of 200 at discount. Another 32 rupees discount should be given from this cost price. That means this should be given as 32 rupees discount. Think logically, sir. This is where your conceptual clarity will be so clear. This is cost price. Some value is there for cost price. On that value, if I give 10% discount, what 10% of which number will give you 32? 10% of 320 only will give you 32. Common sense should say this statement. 10% of 320 is only 32. That means cost price is actually nothing but 320 rupees. Can I say that? According to the ratio, cost price is 4 rupees. But actually the cost price is 320 rupees. Similarly, according to the ratio, initial market price is 5 rupees. They are asking you what is the initial market price according to question. 4 is becoming 320. 4 into 80 is 320. 5 also multiply by 80. 5 into 80 is 400. A classical question which will explain you the meaning of discount and market price. I believe that the idea is very clear for you people, sir.